Which of these stocks will do the best while trading during a recession? The difference between gambling and investing, says the Oracle of Omaha, lies in understanding a company's fundamentals. Fundamental analysis occurs when an investor evaluates a company's financial position, performance, competition, and the economy to determine its value, then purchases that stock when it's trading at a discount. Stay tuned because you will find out at the end of this video. Welcome back to Recession Preppers. Nothing is scarier than seeing your money be less worth because of the high inflation. In the US, the median saving money is around $4,500, but for Warren Buffett, it is almost $0. But his net worth is approximately $99 billion. Prepare yourself to dive into his recession-proof stock portfolio and learn how to prepare for a recession, the Warren Buffett way. Procter & Gamble. The company offers a substantial dividend and a host of recognizable products. Procter & Gamble Co. is one of the world's largest consumer products companies. Its many brands include Pampers, Tide, Bounty, Charmin, Gillette, Oral-B, Crest, Olay, Pantene, Head & Shoulders, Ariel, Gain, Always, Tampax, Downy, and Dawn. Some of these are among the most valuable brands in the world. The dividend yield is 2.52%. Jefferies has a price objective of $185. The $165.86 consensus target compares with Tuesday's $147.63 share close for Procter & Gamble stock. Given Buffett's penchant for only owning the stock of companies that he understands inside and out, these all make sense now for growth, and income investors are worried about the potential for a steep market decline. While they could sell off in a significant correction, they will hold up far better than most. Mondelez. This consumer staples giant also makes good sense for conservative investors. Mondelez International Inc. manufactures and markets snack food and beverage products worldwide. It offers biscuits, including cookies, crackers, and salted snacks, chocolates, gums and candies, powdered beverages and coffee, and cheese and grocery products. Its primary brand portfolio includes LU, Nabisco, and Oreo biscuits, Cadbury, Cadbury Dairy Milk and Milka chocolates, Trident gum, Jacobs Coffee, and Tang powdered beverages. Shareholders receive a 2.26% dividend. The Mondelez stock price target at BofA Securities is $75, while the consensus target is $73.13. The shares closed on Tuesday at $63.00 apiece. Merck. This remains a leading healthcare stock for conservative investors. Merck & Co. Inc. is a healthcare company worldwide. It operates through the following two segments. The pharmaceutical segment offers human health pharmaceutical products in oncology, acute hospital care, immunology, neuroscience, virology, cardiovascular, and diabetes and vaccine products, such as preventive pediatric, adolescent, and adult vaccines. Investors receive a 2.95% dividend. Goldman Sachs has a $105 target price, and the stock is on its conviction list of top picks. The consensus target is $96.54, and Merck stock closed at $94.64 on Tuesday. Kroger. This grocery chain giant is always a solid idea when the going gets rough, as people tend to go out less to eat. Kroger Co. operates as a retailer in the United States. It operates combination food and drug stores, multi-department stores, marketplace stores, and price impact warehouses. The company also manufactures and processes food products for sale in its supermarkets and online, and it sells fuel through 1,613 fuel centers. As of January 29, 2022, the company operated 2,726 supermarkets under various banner names in 35 states and the District of Columbia. Kroger stock comes with a 1.67% dividend. The $75 BofA Securities target price is well above the $55.29 consensus target. The close on Tuesday was at $51.51. Do you love the Recession Preppers channel? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. Kraft Heinz. Even in tough times, everyone has to eat, and this company stands to benefit. Kraft Heinz was formed 6 years ago via the merger of H.J. Heinz and Kraft Foods. The company is a leading global food company with $29 billion of annual revenues, generated by such well-known brands as Kraft, Heinz, Oscar Mayer, and Maxwell House. Buffett holds a massive position in Berkshire Hathaway of 325 million shares, a stunning 26.6% of the company's stock float. Shareholders receive a 4.17% dividend. The stock is on the B of a Securities US 1 list of top picks. The firm's $48 price target compares with the $43.17 consensus target for Kraft Heinz stock and the most recent close at $39.61. Coca-Cola. This remains a top Buffett holding, as he owns a massive 400 million shares. Coca-Cola Co. is the world's largest beverage company, refreshing consumers with more than 500 sparkling and still brands. It has a powerful worldwide brand, with 40% overseas sales. Through the world's most extensive beverage distribution system, consumers in more than 200 countries enjoy Coca-Cola beverages at a rate of more than 1.9 billion daily servings. Also, remember that the company also owns 16.7% of Monster Beverage, which continues to deliver big numbers. Coca-Cola stock investors receive a 2.89% dividend. The trust financial target price of $75 is higher than the $69.84 consensus target. Tuesday's final trade came in at $64.02 a share. Before going to the top stock, let's see the critical points in analyzing the supply of a specific company. The casino is open. 15% of all current U.S. stock market investors say they began investing in 2020, according to a Schwab survey, and the majority who opened their first non-retirement investment account that year were under the age of 4 to 5 and had lower incomes than more seasoned investors. Over the long run, equities tend to outperform inflation and recover from downturns by a wide margin. But it's a marathon, not a sprint. Buffett is known to say that his favorite stock holding period is forever. Trust yourself. Investors aren't very good at predicting the future, said Stephen Check, who runs the financial advisory firm Check Capital. They tend to overreact to immediate problems. The market is irrational in the short term, but it's always rational in the long term, Check said. Bubbles grow and burst, but if you consider how a business will do over the next decade and then stick with it, you'll eventually end up being rewarded, he said. Do the homework. The good news to the lazier investors amongst us: plenty of experts have already researched for you, and for a small fee, you can gain easy access to it. But if you're going by Buffett's rules, you must do the work and never invest in a business you don't understand. Bank of America. This company posted excellent first quarter results, and Warren Buffett owns a stunning 1.1 billion shares. Bank of America Corp. is a ubiquitous presence in the United States, providing various banking and financial products and services for individual consumers, small and middle market businesses, institutional investors, corporations, and governments in the United States internationally. It operates 5,100 banking centers, 16,300 ATM, call centers, and online and mobile banking platforms. Bank of America has expanded into several new U.S. markets with scale across the country, positioning it ideally to benefit from accelerating loan growth over the next 2 years. Moreover, unlike smaller peers, scale allows the bank to increase investment substantially over the next few years without notably jeopardizing returns, driving further market share gains. Shareholders receive a 2.34% dividend. Goldman Sachs has a $47 target price on Bank of America stock. The consensus target is $48.28, and the shares closed on Tuesday at $35.65. This video is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing money. Make sure you contact a financial expert before investing. Never invest money that you can't lose. So, which of these stocks will you be added to your portfolio? Let us know in the comments section down below.